Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Samsung Galaxy M33. And to do this you'll need to open your Google Play Store. Inside try to find an app called Microsoft Edge. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Right here you can sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it. Accept or disagree with the data sharing preferences. Set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And finally we can open a website. So let's go for this one. And as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.